Hello, I'm Poppy Little from MakerBot Learning, and today we're going to look at how a MakerBot 3D printer works. All MakerBots and 3D printers work in nearly the same way. Three-dimensional objects are built in layers that are stacked one on top of another. MakerBot specifically uses a technology called fused deposition modeling, or FDM for short. You can tell if a printer is an FDM printer because of its extruder. An extruder is similar to a hot glue gun. Plastic filament is fed through the top, melted at 215 degrees Celsius, and precisely extruded out of a small nozzle into the layers that build your 3D print. The coordinates are fed to the printer from MakerBot Mobile or MakerBot Print, and tell the extruder where to build each part. On MakerBot 3D printers, the extruder travels left to right, the x-axis, and front to back, the y-axis. The build plate travels up and down, the z-axis. To use a 3D printer, you need to take 3 steps. Step 1, obtain a 3D file. A 3D design is either created in a 3D modeling program, 3D scanned, or downloaded from websites like thingiverse.com or grabcad.com. Step 2. The design is imported into MakerBot Print, our preparation software. This software translates the design into a language the 3D printer can read, in this case, a .MakerBot file. Finally, step 3. The .MakerBot file is sent to the 3D printer, and the object is made. And those are the basics of how a MakerBot 3D printer works. For more information, check out makerbot.com/learn. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.